Slow start today. It's just too nice. I don't want to leave. Good morning, everybody. The day is July 12th, 2025, and day 35 of the bike tour. I hope everybody is doing well. The sun came up good and early like it usually does. And when the dew dries, I'm going to take the tent down. I'm going to hang out in this park for a little while, and then I'm going to be on my way once again to Fernie. I can finally see an end to the Epic 1000. And soon I will be in Alberta. Can't wait. It's been a lot of fun. So there's a fork in the road. Do I go this way? Do I go that way? Or do I go this way? Will I get lost? Stay tuned. Looks really nice, actually. Well, you don't see this very often. A sign that says, hey, you can camp here. This looks like a nice spot. There's a nice spot further down. And it says Saturday, and there's nobody else here but me. Well, for now. Tonight's campsite is this place. It's a marshy one. Slow start today. It's just too nice. I don't want to leave. But I'm going to pack up now and get going. What's going on here? Check out this gate. I think tonight I'm gonna camp out here. Tonight's campsite is this place. It's called Wigwam Flats. Excuse me. There's the Ninja Turtle. Here's the flats. Campsite. Good morning, everybody. Day 36 of the Long Way Home bicycle tour. Just a quick update. I want to get to Fernie today. I'm having problems with my GoPro. Sometimes the rear screen isn't working. Sometimes it's not turning on. I've been trying to figure out what the problem is. Some say it's a memory card issue. Some say it's this and that. I'm beginning to wonder if it's a hardware issue. I'm debating buying a new GoPro and just getting a new memory card and starting fresh when I get to Fernie. But we'll see how today goes. Day 36. Yeah. I stopped a bit early yesterday. Had a headache. So if you noticed I wasn't as peppy as I normally am yesterday, well, that's the reason. But I'm feeling good today and ready for some more trails and hoping the GoPro does pretty good. Still not sure about the GoPro. It's weighing heavy on my mind because I'm having a lot of fun with the GoPro and filming all these videos and stuff. It's been so much fun. And I gotta sort it out. So I guess this is why they call it Wigwam Flats. Apparently in the 20s, some families tried to establish some farms in this area. Didn't really work out. Wildfires, same story. So now it's a conservation area. Trail shot. I don't know if I'm fully convinced it's a hardware issue. Nice. I need to get down there to the river and get some water. I'm getting low on water. Actually, I don't have any water. I've got like one little sip left. It's so pretty low. All right, we have water. According to this sign, it's treacherous and you shouldn't launch your boat below. But I'm pretty sure I can launch my water bottles.
From start to finish, the Epic 1000 lived up to its name. Unfolding is a truly epic journey. Completing it in 21 days wasn't about setting records, it was about savoring every moment. I indulged in the simple joys of life, lingering at picnic tables, engaging with my fellow travelers, and drinking in the breathtaking views from every viewpoint. When the mood struck, I'd settle into camp early, embracing the rhythm of the ride. This adventure was never about racing. It was about immersing myself in the experience, letting the road unfold its stories, and finding joy in the journey itself.